Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce and Pedal Mel. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be checking out this Schuco 164 scale Porsche transporter, and we will get right into it. I've had this probably 6 months, I would say, and anyway, it's in the queue. It needed to be reviewed and opened. I didn't even open it, so it's very, very heavy. So I'm pretty sure this is all die-cast metal. It's extremely heavy, which is opposite of the last transporter I had reviewed, which was the Martini one. I forget what brand it was. It was awful. It had a lot of quality control issues. I mean, it was kind of cool looking from a distance, but anyway, so there you got a sleeve. You pull the sleeve off. That's kind of nice. And then you have another box here. This is I'm excited because this has been sitting here forever, and I just couldn't wait to unwrap this. I had ordered this one thinking I don't know if if I got directly from China or not. I forget. A lot of these I order from China, and I usually have pretty good luck. Let's get this wrapper out of the way. It's right away, I'm not sure. The red seems off to me. It's on the monitor. It actually doesn't look bad, but it's very burgundy, a burgundy red in person. I'm not sure about the color. It looks a little off to me, but we will take a look at it here. All right, now we have it up on the turntable and spinning around. You can see how large this is. It's probably about 7 inches long, I would say something like that. Maybe, yeah, I'd say about 7 inches long. It does feel like it has hard rubber tires on it. That's a plastic base. The rest has got to be metal though, because it's very, very heavy. I'm losing my voice, by the way. I'm sorry about that. Looks like it just needs kind of polished out. It has like the gassing of the paints and the oils. That oil's all over it. But as you can see, it is a Mercedes. Does it say what kind? I forget what kind of Mercedes that is. I talked about that in another video, which I'll put the link up for the other one I had reviewed. I would like to get the Golf one at some point. The Golf one looks really, really cool. And possibly a Martini one as well. I'm hoping the back doors open on this. I think they do. Let's see if I can get something here to get it open. I thought it'd be fun to open. Alright, well, that wasn't easy to get the doors open on it, but so you can see, you can open that. Let's bring in that 917. Oh my, that does not fit. Yeah, that doesn't fit. I thought maybe it would fit in there, but it doesn't. So that stinks. And there's no kind of ramp or anything. That sucks. I know they do sell this one in with, it comes with a set. I've seen it on eBay from overseas. You can get it comes with 2 white 908s, I believe, with it, and I think the 908s will fit in there. But if you look in there, you can kind of see they have right there. You can kind of see there's 2 huge pillars, and I think that takes up. It's just for structural integrity, I think, but obviously you can't get the cars past it, so that's no good. But sitting in a case, I'm sure it'll look very, very cool. The mirrors, I was thinking this came with mirrors that you could pop on. I don't know why I was thinking that, but the mirrors are molded on, and they're very durable, so they won't be breaking anytime soon. And it does have 3 skylights at the top. It's cool looking from a distance, but I'm a little disappointed for what I paid for this. I think I paid $45 for this. I'm thinking. I think it was like 40 or 45 and then like another 10 bucks for shipping. I'm a little disappointed in it. Tires look pretty good. Definitely needs going over and polished, because the paint looks kind of, it's got some streaks and stuff in it. I think it's just oils on it. The lettering and everything looks really good, and I believe they're tampos. Just a shame that the 917s don't really fit in there, but I wouldn't mind getting the Golf one. I think that would be kind of cool to add that to the I have a few cases. I could probably stick these in the back and then the cars in the front, so it wouldn't really have to be, they wouldn't have to fit inside the Transporter per se. Alrighty, so that was a quick one. It'll be under a 10-minute video. Again, I'm going to try to start keeping these videos at like 8 to 10 minutes or so, and bang as many out as I can. I have so many cars in the queue here. These are all from my personal collection, by the way. Some of the cars, if I don't like them, I do put them in my eBay store and I'll sell them that way as demo cars, or give them away or whatever. But majority of the cars that I review are from my and gonna be for my personal collection. So there you go. That is Schuco's Edition 164 Porsche Transporter, and it is pretty cool. Very durable compared to the last one I had reviewed, which was plastic. I forget who the brand was for that one. I'm thinking it was Para 164. I forget who made the, I know it was Tarmac, I believe. Yeah, Tarmac, I think, made the... I'll put a link there at the end of the video for the other one, which was kind of cool. I mean, but it had a few quality control issues with it. Mostly after the fact. I think the way they packaged it, if I remember, they put these clear stickers on the back to hold the doors closed, and it ripped the tampo came right off with the clear sticker, which had me pissed off, basically, but... So there you go. Thanks for watching. If you guys like these type of videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Share, like, subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, it's free. You can't be free. And hit the bell for notifications. And I will see you guys next time as I lose my voice to allergies or whatever's going on. At least the fly's not out here. That's good. The fly's not here. Hopefully the fly died, because I think it would be hanging around by now. If you've seen the fly, I don't know how many videos. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon. Alright. Bye now.